In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Mendeley for managing your research papers and references, and will ensure you're set up smoothly from the very beginning to utilizing some essential features. First, you'll want to navigate your browser to mendeley.com. When you arrive at the website, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. This involves a straightforward registration process where you'll be required to provide some basic information like your email address and create a password. If you already have an account, simply go ahead and log in. Once you've signed into Mendeley, you'll be directed to your library. This is where all the magic happens. Now, let's discuss importing documents. If you have research papers or relevant documents stored on your computer, you can choose to import them into your Mendeley library. This helps in organizing your documents in one accessible place, which can be incredibly handy when conducting research. Another useful feature is that you can add references directly from Google Docs, which seamlessly integrates with Mendeley. To do this, go to the specific document within Google Docs that contains the references you wish to manage. The integration process makes it easier to import citations directly into Mendeley, helping you to keep track of all the sources you've used for your projects. This step is particularly valuable for those deep into academics and research, where keeping your references organized is crucial. To add a reference manually or through Google Docs, first ensure that you have the necessary add-ons or extensions required for your browser to allow Mendeley to access and import your documents. Once you've set that up, navigate back to Google Docs, where you can begin selecting the citations you want to import into Mendeley. After selecting them, simply use the Mendeley options to add these references to your library. They'll be indexed in your Mendeley account and will show up in your Mendeley library, ready for you to sort, arrange, and reference as you build your research work. Throughout the process, make sure to familiarize yourself with the options available in Mendeley for managing your library, such as sorting by author or date, or even creating specific folders for different projects. This can enhance your research efficiency dramatically by keeping everything neatly organized and readily accessible whenever you need to refer back to a certain piece of information. And there you have it, the basics of getting started with Mendeley, from setting up your account to importing and managing your references. Feel free to explore more of its features like exporting bibliographies or using its search capabilities to find papers relevant to your research topic. By mastering these fundamental steps, you're well on your way to becoming more organized and efficient in your academic endeavors. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy researching.